Hi, today I'm going to show you how to check the ink levels on a Canon Pixma MX725. The first thing we need to do is press menu here on the front of the printer. And we're going to go down using the arrow keys on the right here until we get to setup. When we get to setup, we press OK. And then instead of going straight into maintenance, we're going to go one to the right for estimated ink levels. So you press OK. Now here you get a breakdown of the 5 different cartridges used by your printer and how much ink your printer estimates is left in each cartridge, along with alerts for anything that's running low. And yeah, that should give you a good idea about when things are going to need replacing. Now we do have other videos for this printer on our channel, so check those out if there's anything more specific you want to know. If there's anything not covered there, do let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.